Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to move photos and videos from Files app to iPhone, iPad, Gallery. So let's get started. First thing first, let's open up the File app on your iPhone or iPad. Browse through your file to locate the photos or videos you want to transfer to your device. After you select the files, tap the share button, usually represented by a square with an arrow pointing upward. In the share sheet, select Save Images for photos or Save Videos for videos. This action will save the selected files to your device's Photos app. Now to select multiple photos or videos, let's go back to the File app. Then click on the three dots available on the right. Then click on the Select option in there. Then select any photos or videos you want to transfer. Then simply go to the Share button again and click on the Save to videos or save photos, any option available there about save. And by following this step, you can transfer photos and videos from the Files app to your iPhone or iPad's camera roll. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.